When your air conditioner stops cooling properly, a faulty compressor may be the cause. At PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning, we provide professional AC compressor repair services in Reading, PA, helping homeowners and businesses restore reliable indoor comfort quickly and affordably. Our experienced HVAC technicians diagnose compressor issues accurately and perform effective repairs to get your system running at peak performance again. If you have any questions, please contact our AC compressor repair team. Are you looking for an AC compressor repair near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. What does an AC compressor do? The AC compressor is the heart of your air conditioning system. It compresses and circulates refrigerant between the indoor and outdoor units, allowing your system to remove heat from your home and provide cool, comfortable air. How do I know if my AC compressor is failing? Common signs of a failing compressor include warm air coming from vents, strange noises from the outdoor unit, frequent system cycling, reduced cooling performance, trip circuit breakers, and higher than normal energy bills. What is your service area for the Reading, Pennsylvania service office? Our AC compressor repair have served Reading, Leesport, Garfield, Burnville, North Heidelberg, Brownsville, Robisonia, Wernersville, Moncton, Temple, Laureldale, Penside, Rifton, Shillington, Baumstown, Birdsboro, Scarlett's Mill, Plowville, Reinholds, Swartsville, Pennsylvania. Where is your Reading, Pennsylvania office located? We are located at 400 Washington Street No. 109, Reading, Pennsylvania 19601. Our phone number is 610-672-3044. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-reading.